guys, I'm going to talk about how to find the cube root of a surd. Previous video I told you how to find the square root of a surd. Now I'm going to talk about how to find the cube root of a surd. Method is simple. Actually they both are same. How to find the square root and how to find the cube root. Both the methods are same. So yeah, let's get started with an example. So let's take the example as 10 plus 6 root 3. So we have to find the cube root of this. How to find it? That's simple. Well, while we were solving problems on how to find the square root, we had to equate this to root a plus root b, right? But while finding the cube root, that's not the case. We have to equate this to a plus root b. Okay, we have to equate this to a plus root b, and the variables here it can vary, like x plus root y, like that. Okay, it can vary. So this is a format, and as I said, the method is same. We gotta do cube root on both sides, not square root. We gotta do cube root on both sides, so that this will get cancelled. We get 10 plus 6 root 3 is equals to a plus b whole cube formula. So a plus b whole cube will be equal to, so formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So I'm not going to write the formula, it's already down here. So yeah, I'm just going to just put the values in that formula. So that'll be a cube plus 3a square b root b plus 3a b square, that will be b. So root b whole square, that will be b plus root b whole cube. So it will be root b into root b into root b, that will be b root b. So this is the final value. Now while for solving the square root, we got a similar situation like this, and what I said was we have to equate the rational and irrational parts. Okay, so that's what we have to do here. We have to equate the rational and irrational parts. And remember that we have to not equate irrational parts, we only have to equate rational parts. I'm going to tell you why in the next step. So now first let's equate the rational parts. So that will be a cube plus 3ab will be equal to 10. And if we now, let me just tell you the why that we didn't actually take the irrational parts equation, and that's why. And why? Because here, if even though if we take those equation of the irrational terms, we won't get the answer. It'll become more complicated. So that's the reason we have to only equate the rational parts. Only equate the rational parts. So that's what I did here. So now we got this, and how to find it. Before, if you would equate the irrational parts, you would get an equation, right? But here we're not equating the irrational parts. How are we supposed to get an equation? So that is simple. What we need to do is use trial and error method. So that is an alternative method. So take okay, I'm just right. Take a equals 1. So 1 plus 3b equals 10. So now b we got as 3. Well, you might also ask that if we take a is equals to 2, we might have got another integer. So what is the proper condition that this is the answer? These two are the answer. So yeah, I'll explain you that. If we take a is equals to 1 and get b as, then we are good to go for taking the answer as 1 plus root 3, like a plus root b. But if we don't get like 3 b is equals to 3 by 5, if we don't get b is equals to 3, then like suppose you got b is equals to 3 by 5, that's not the case. If you get b is equals to minus 3, not the case. Only we have to get a positive integer, that's it. And now luckily in this case we have got a positive integer, and that's 1 plus root 3. So in the question, let me just show it to you. In the question, we took it as a plus root b, right? So now we got a as 1 and b as 3. So just substituting these values, we get 1 plus root 3. So that is it, friends. This is the method on how to find the cube root of a surd. Till the next video, this is Anthony signing off.